Imagine a machine that can quietly swallow a room full of dust and fumes without even breaking a sweat. That is exactly what we are looking at with this heavy-duty regenerative blower. It is built like an absolute tank, designed for serious factory ventilation and dust extraction, and honestly, it looks like it could survive a lifetime of hard labor. Now, the first thing that grabs your attention is the sheer build quality. This is not some cheap plastic fan. It is a solid, heavy chunk of cast metal housing a robust 1.5 kilowatt motor. When you bolt this thing down to a concrete floor, it feels completely immovable. And that weight is actually a major plus because it helps dampen vibrations. Speaking of noise, industrial gear usually sounds like a jet engine taking off. But here is a pleasant surprise. This unit runs remarkably quiet. It is rated at 60 decibels or less, which means you can actually stand next to it and have a normal conversation without screaming over the motor. Performance-wise, it moves a massive amount of air. We are talking about a rated airflow of 263 cubic meters per hour. In the real world, that means it clears out airborne particles, smoke, or wood shavings in a blink. Whether it is pushing air out at 34 kilopascals or pulling a vacuum at 27, the suction is incredibly consistent. It just keeps chugging along without losing pressure, which is exactly what you want during a long, demanding shift. But here is the catch, and it is a pretty important one. This is a three-phase machine, running on 220 to 380 volts. If you're planning to put this in a standard home garage, you're going to need a phase converter or some serious electrical upgrades. Also, the wiring terminal box on top is a bit of a tight squeeze. Getting those thick industrial cables secured in there takes some patience and nimble fingers. Still, if you have the proper power setup, this blower is an absolute workhorse. It is reliable, surprisingly quiet, and built to run continuously. For any workshop or factory floor needing serious air management, this is a rock-solid investment that simply gets the job done.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.